Imagine being able to create professional quality videos without spending hours stuck in complicated editing software. No endless cutting, no dragging clips on timelines, no headaches. Thanks to artificial intelligence, that's no longer a dream. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 AI video editing tools that can literally do the heavy lifting for you. These tools can save you hours, make editing simple, and even help you publish faster across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or wherever you share content. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also reveal which tool is the best fit for different types of creators. Let's get started. First on our list is Descript. This is not just a video editor. It's like editing a Word document. Descript transcribes your video, and you edit the text. Delete a word in the transcript, and that part of the video disappears automatically. No more scrubbing through timelines, no more endless trimming. It also removes filler words like and with one click. And if you make a mistake while recording, its AI feature called Overdub lets you clone your voice so you can fix words without re-recording. Pros: simple, perfect for beginners, and amazing for podcasts and tutorials. Cons: less effective for cinematic edits. Price: starts free with premium, around $12 a month. If you talk on camera or record podcasts, this is one of the best tools you can use. Next up is Pictory. Pictory turns long-form content into short, ready-to-post videos. You can paste in a blog post or script, and it automatically generates a video with stock footage, subtitles, and background music. That means your article or webinar can instantly become a polished video for social media. Pros: automatic captions, a huge stock library, and great for repurposing content. Cons: sometimes videos look a little generic if you don't customize. Price: around $19 per month. If you're a marketer, your content repurposer, Pictory saves a ton of time. Third is Kapwing AI. Kapwing has been popular for quick online editing, and now its AI features make things even faster. It can automatically remove backgrounds, resize videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram in one click, and generate subtitles in multiple languages. Pros: beginner-friendly, browser-based, and perfect for social media. Cons: limited advanced tools, and a watermark on the free plan. Price: free with watermark, or $20 per month for Pro. If you're posting short-form content across platforms, Kapwing is a huge time saver. Number 4 is Runway ML. This is one of the most advanced AI video tools out there. Runway can erase objects from a video, generate new clips from text prompts, and even replace backgrounds in real time. It feels futuristic, like something out of a sci-fi movie. Pros: incredible AI-powered features, great for creatives. Cons: a bit complex to learn, and pricier at higher quality exports. Price: free plan available, with Pro starting around $12 a month. If you're into cinematic content, filmmaking, or experimenting with AI visuals, Runway is for you. And finally, we have Wisecut. Wisecut is built for long videos. Think lectures, tutorials, or vlogs. It uses AI to detect silences and automatically cut them out. It also adds background music that adjusts to your voice, and even creates subtitles. You can upload a 30-minute raw video, and Wisecut will turn it into a clean, engaging version in just minutes. Pros: perfect for YouTubers, teachers, and coaches. Cons: limited for creative cinematic editing. Price: free plan available, with premium around $10 a month. If you want to save hours on long-form content, Wisecut is the way to go. So those are the top 5 AI video editing tools that can transform the way you create content. Let's recap. Descript for text-based editing and podcasts. Pictory for turning blogs and webinars into short videos. Kapwing AI for quick social media content. Runway ML for advanced futuristic effects. And Wisecut for auto-editing long videos. AI won't replace creativity, but it removes the boring, repetitive work so you can focus on storytelling. Try them out and see which one works best for your style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on AI and video tools. And remember, edit smarter, not harder.